Our Revvin It Up kit is all about cars. And the concepts that we explore here are race cars that could potentially drive upside down, musical cars, and the history of having radio in your vehicle, and all about the 30,000 different parts that go into a car. So they can explore the information here on the front, and then when they scan this code here, it links to even more information on those topics. Also on the back of their packet, we have our spotlight, some jokes and riddles, and information about ongoing contests. Inside are the activities. There is a color by abbreviation, which actually reviews the skill of the month, which is following recipes. And that skill includes an abbreviation key here, and they use that to figure out what colors to color in the Formula One car there. There's also lots of additional information about following your recipes, and then a sticker that they can earn when they complete these 3 things here. So additional brain teaser activities that review the skill and also explore more about cars. Some fun trivia about cars there. The recipes in this kit include pancake wheels, which actually takes you through making homemade pancakes and then designing those into different shapes, not just wheels, but also how can you design the whole car using circles and cut in different ways. So it also talks about, we also have our ice cream recipe, and that was actually submitted by the boy who was spotlighted in this kit. And that is a really fun homemade ice cream recipe that does not require an ice cream maker. And we'll go into even more details on fuel, since this is about Phillips Route 66. So we'll go into more details on fuel, and not just fuel for your cars, but fuel for your body, and why certain types of food are important for your body. And then the apple cars, which are really simple and easy to make. Your kids can pretty much follow this recipe all by themselves. And then we go into detail on the back about the different risks. Obviously, there's a lot of risk in cars. Car accidents are pretty common. So we talk about how we manage those risks by wearing seatbelts, and how that can be related to other risks we manage, like food allergies and carrying epinephrine, and even during the pandemic, right now there's a lot of ways we can manage risks. So talk about that here. And then in this kit, the tool is a car mold. So that's really fun when making the ice cream. You can freeze the ice cream in that mold and then blend it into the ice cream, or you can even put it in there as your finished product. And also includes an apple slicer for making those apple cars, but also this can be used as a pattern on your wheels, on your pancakes, to make like a wagon wheel or other wheel. And then all of our kits do come with product samples, and that's just dependent on the partners that we have samples available from at the time of your order.